What we're looking at is a real Zillow listing, and this is that same listing 30 minutes later as a cinematic home tour. I didn't need to hire a videographer, and I didn't step into the house either. I pasted one link into Claude code and it built the whole thing for me. And here's the craziest part that actually pays. Your local real estate agents are paying $500 plus for a single video like this. And most of them have no idea it can be made from photos they already posted. The video you're watching came out of the Higgsfield MCP and one free skill called the Real Estate Walkthrough Pro skill. I'm going to show you the entire thing, start to finish, so you can make one before this video ends. So let's dive right in. All right, so we're going to start off with exactly what you'll need to get this thing working. As you could see, the output was absolutely amazing, and all I did was grab the Zillow link, give it to Claude, and I got my output. So you're going to need your property example, whether it's in the form of Zillow link, Google Drive, or standalone photos. You'll need access to the RE Walkthrough Pro skill for Claude Code. You'll need to install the Higgsfield MCP to generate the videos for you. And we use the Apify MCP in order to actually pull the images from Zillow and all the other Zillow information for the property. I also use this to generate leads. It's a private skill that I have called the lead skill to pull all the list of realtors or prospects that I need so that I can market to them. So I actually had a way funnier version of this walkthrough that I edited with crazy subtitles that I sent to my agent friends. I give you guys the PG version. If you guys don't already have a setup like this in VS Code for your Claude Code or have it set up in a terminal, then I highly recommend either joining my school for the full setup guide or watching the crash course that I have linked below in the description as well. So in any case, if I type in MCP, you'll see I have Apify and I have Higgsfield down here. Higgsfield is the most important one for actually generating our videos. And if I type in /RE walkthrough, you're going to see I have this command. It's going to initiate the whole flow. And it's going to ask us if we have the property link, what kind of property it is, and ask us some other questions so that we can go ahead and actually get our video. The first thing that you want to do in order to install this is download the skill. So you could either take the repo link and give it to Claude, tell it to install it globally, or you can run the global install right here. Give that to Claude, click enter. Secondly, for the Higgsfield MCP, you're going to need an account with them. If you do the ultimate plan, you should get about 3,000 credits for $100. That's about 6 to 8 videos, 50 seconds long each. But grab this link right here, give that to Claude, click enter. Then for the Apify MCP server, grab this, boot open Claude naturally, give it the Apify MCP, tell it to set this up, and here's my API key. Inside of Apify, once you create an account, you get $5 for free, which is really all you need, but I'll have a link below for that as well for all of these. Come into settings, API and integrations, and you could just copy the default API token, come back to Claude, drop that code right here, click enter. Now when you type in /MCP, if I click this, it should be connected. If not, just click reconnect. For the Higgsfield MCP, if you click enter, you could click re-authenticate. It'll pull open the browser and it'll let you log into Higgsfield and make sure it's all connected for you. And ultimately, if you type in /RE walkthrough after downloading the skill, it should work fully. If it doesn't, just ask Claude, where is the RE Walkthrough Pro skill? I need the command to show up globally. So once that's all set up, all we have to do is look for a subject property, and I'm going to use Zillow to keep this really simple. I think this is a clean property to use, but it's only got 7 photos, so we want to make sure that's enough to actually get a clean shot. I don't think this will be enough. Maybe this one will do. It's got 18 photos. I don't like it's in construction. I don't want that. I mean, wow, look at this property. $110 million, 98 photos. We could definitely run with this one. So we'll take the Zillow link, okay, and we could see all the photos. Once we give this link, it'll pull all the photos. It'll ask us if we want to give some creative expertise. If there's any rooms you want to highlight, you can add all that detail inside of the chat with Claude, but it does have a lot of information. So if there's some rooms you want to highlight over the next, you could always copy one of these images and say, hey, when you download it, I want to make sure that this is highlighted, and this is highlighted, you know, whatever it may be. So I'll take that link, come back to Claude, I'll click enter. I'll say, here is the Zillow link, drop the property, and I'll just click enter. Now we can see there are some options we're going to be able to go through, cinematic or basic. I'm just going to go cinematic. That's always what I do. Auto curate, just for the sake of this video, keep it simple. I'll do auto curate. And 16:9, that is just like a YouTube video like you're watching here. 9:16 is for Instagram or TikTok or something like that, like a short. So we'll do that. And I recommend you using Dance 2.0. It's the best in my opinion for these videos. And click enter. What it's actually going to do is pull the information through all this, and it's going to use some of the sibling skills for the cinematic and real estate design for videos that I have in my setup. And once it's got the property information, it'll grab the address. It'll create a folder here. This is the one that we created. It'll grab all the source images, put them in a file. It'll create a property MD with the Zillow link, agent information, other details about the property. And then once it starts creating the scenes one by one, it'll list them all here. And then in the end, it's going to create the final walkthrough, as you can see right here, stitch all the scenes together so that you can actually download this, put it into a video editor, and bring it into post-production, which is what I do using Descript. You could use CapCut, anything that you use to edit videos. You actually don't even have to do that if you don't want to. But when it creates the videos, you don't want Claude to actually use any text or anything inside of the video generations. You do that post-production, because if you do that with the video generation and it looks like crap, you're gonna have to waste more tokens to create your video. And if you wanna actually create something that doesn't have a Zillow link, something off market, you could just drop your photos into Claude in a file, like a local file, and say, hey, use these photos instead. Here's the address. This is what I want you to do. That's totally fine. So it already created a folder for the new property, 1420. Let's make sure this is the right one. 1420 right here. And if we come back in, same address, has the same folder structure here, and then all the source images from the actual Zillow listing itself. And at this point, we just let it do its thing. There's nothing else that you have to do in order to get this to work. If you want to add insight, you can totally add insight on your own if you want to. Say, hey, I want to just keep this in mind, that in mind, whatever, but the skill is good on its own. Now, while that's working, I do want to show you guys another private repo that I set up called Listing Cinema. And this one is a step above. We have the cinematic tour, as Ari Walkthrough has, but this one has sibling skills for deeper cinematic design. And we also have the opportunity to create development dreams, which is basically taking schematics and a property that doesn't exist with raw land and build it from scratch with a brand new video that shouldn't exist. Stage up, so we could take an empty room, an empty house, and stage it up with whatever you want. Or maybe you want to revive a property, bring it back from the dead, give it a full-blown renovation. You have different settings you can choose: fixer-uppers renovations, exterior refresh, or like full reblown renovation, and you can choose the materials. Instead of running RE Walkthrough, you'd run /listing cinema. And the reason I'm showing you this is because we have some time. I also have the lead skill set up. This is also a private skill. This one will help us locate the kind of leads that we want. It doesn't have to just be real estate agents, realtors. It could be golf course owners, anybody with properties that need videos you can find using this skill. And in the same way, it's going to create a leads folder, and it'll find the type of leads that you want so you can start to market to it. It can also create custom outbound marketing emails or text to each of these prospects. I did a live training back on July 11th this year in 2026, and I did a replay of it. So if you guys want to check out the full webinar where I show you guys and I work with you personally with the upgraded skills, how to find the leads, how to sell them, custom scripts, and a private WhatsApp group to work with other students who are currently running this hustle, which I call the Claude Estate Hustle, feel free to click the training link below. All you want to do is click watch replay. This is extra training, put in your information, and then you guys can see the live training that we did. And if you want to sign up and join the program, we have an exclusive deal right now. There's no pressure, but it's limited time only. You get a year's worth of my school. So if you want to learn how to use Claude and go deeper with me, 4 weekly calls every month. And I have everything put together here for you to start the hustle, download the skills with the first 3 days of live training that we did. So if that interests you, click the training link below to watch the replay and consider joining. Now, we're just going to wait for Claude to go through all of the 98 photos, register which each room is what, look through and compare with the Zillow listing information that we got in the MD over here. And then it's going to figure out the best approach to create the scenes and everything in between. So I will see you guys in a sec. So don't mind me, I'm eating a sandwich as I'm waiting for this to be done. But it actually created the property MD here with all the information, and it's asking if we can approve this. So went ahead, gave me some specs, gave me the rooms or the 10-shot walkthrough, and I'm just gonna approve it. Quick tip, if you click tab, you should just type in whatever it already had pre-written there. And now I will be back in a sec. So it's running an agent in the back to create the rest of the scenes, and it created 3 so far. So let me just make this a bit smaller so we could take a look. So this is the front of the property. This is the exterior front, not the waterfront. This is the entry foyer. And then let's see if I can show you the MD. So here's some information, the agent, here's the shot list. So basically the instructions for Claude of what to highlight in the video, the build choices, all that good stuff here. Once it's done with the rest of the scenes, it'll stitch it together, like I said, and drop it here in the final folder. All right, good news. We have the video accomplished. Here's the front of the house. It looks really clean. We have the inside. We have the living room shown here, the kitchen. Okay, one of the rooms. We have the garage here with the nice cars. Then we have the backyard. We have more of that here. And I do want to let you guys know, if you guys are having it pull in images, it does sometimes add text, as you could see right here. So I included an update to the skill pack so it can remove that. If it ever does that, you could just ask Claude to redo one of the scenes. And to get it to redo a scene, all you have to do is find the scene that had the text in it, which it was right here. Just have it redo room 7 or whatever the room is. And as you can see here, it only used 450 credits. Apify only costed less than a cent. So if you have to redo anything, you know what to do here. But that's what I got for you today. I hope you got some tremendous value out of this one. It was a lot of fun making this, and I've been talking a lot about using Higgsfield, Claude, to create all these different cinematic videos on Instagram. But again, if you're serious about wanting to work with me more seriously in regards to this training, the Claude Estate Hustle, just click the link under the training replay and consider joining the program. And if you're somebody who wants a full-blown agentic OS, I have something called Charlie OS, where I install my personal AI setup on your computer and consult with you on how to best use it on a technical level, while also showing you how to use it to solve your biggest revenue bottlenecks. If you decide to work with me and you see the Charlie OS link below, you'll also get the Claude Estate Hustle installed with lifetime access to my school community. Either way, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next one.